Hi everyone, hope you have a wonderful day. Welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be based on how to cut an umbrella palazzo trouser using 3 yards of satin fabric. This particular palazzo trouser is very unique one that people wear outside to the beach and other occasions. It's a very unique palazzo trouser. So let's begin with the cutting. So folding this into 4. So first of all, this is into 2. Then I'm going to fold it like a triangle into 4. So now I'll fold this into 4. You can see like a triangle. This is into 4 already. So I'm going to start with the measurements now. Starting from the waist. Starting from the waist. My waist here I'm using 30 for the waist. So with the sewing allowance I'm making it 32. So this is 32. 8 into 4 give us 32. So this is where my 32 is. So I'm going to make a straight line. So after this is my 32, which is 8 inches. Let me cut it out for you to see. So after the cutting of the waist, it's an high waist trouser, so I'm going to put 2 up the band. So this is 2 for the band. So from this band I'm going to measure my flap. The flap here I'm using 28 for my flap. So 28 divided by 4 give us, so 28 into 2 for the flap is 28, so into 2 making 14. So I'm going to measure 14 from here. This is my waist, so I'm going to measure 14 from here. Don't forget the band, 2 inches band, you have to put it up. So this is it. Then put my table for you to see. So it's not up to 14, I have to enlarge it maybe by going down small. So I want to check. Yes, so it's now 14 inches. So from this 14 inches, my main measurement here that I'm using 42 for the length of my trouser. So I'm placing 2 inches up here for the band, then measure my 42. You can see this is 42. As well, yeah. And this is 42 also. So I'm going to cut out my sketch. So then the cutting from here too. So this is it. You can see this is my flap, this is the band, and this is the umbrella that we're talking about. You can see. So this is the 2 inches band that I said earlier. So let me watch out for the joining now. So welcome to the sewing section. So these are the two that I cut out. So I'm going to start with the joining now. So by placing the front on front, so like this is the flap. So I'm going to place it like this and join it. So I'm done with the first flap here. So show me the second one. So assuming you're going to put zip, you're going to leave zip allowance. Like you're not going to start I started from up here, so I'm going to start from the up here. You're going to leave zip space like this up to up to 5 inches here. You can see. So you start with the joining. So this is second flap area. So I'm going to open it like this. You can see. Join the down part. So you're going to join the down part. You can see this is the down part. You're going to place the two together. Then you start from here. So don't forget, this particular area must be the same thing. They must be the same. So those are the corrections that have to be made while joining. But you have to make it equal. So it depends on the fabric you are using. You may not need to do all this correction over here. So it depends on the fabric. So this particular fabric is stretchy, that's right. Then the next thing you're going to join is your band. So this is the 2 inches band that I'm going to join to the waist here. So I'm done with the band. I'm going to cut the mini out like this. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. You can see the band, the flap, and the length. So this is an umbrella palazzo trouser. You can see, it very well. It's going to be on the body. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.